Alright, before I do that, I'm actually going to show you the other plants right here. We have I think this is a jalapeno plant. And then right here is another jalapeno. We have some hot cayenne. Let's grow some nice peppers there. Got a green bell pepper. And then we have, I think this is red bell. Alright, let's go this way. Step on here. Walk across. We have our first thing of potatoes. Some more broccoli, which is actually doing pretty good. Maybe they're not the smallest, densest things in the world, but this one's actually the best one I think I have. I have not seen this one in days. I'm like, holy shit. So that is looking epic. Over here, yep, I harvested some potatoes over here, so we got a really nice potato bunch. We got some kind of squash growing over here. I don't really see any growth though, so we'll see. Got some strawberries that I really haven't seen any strawberry action going on. They said they're ever-bearing strawberries, but I think that's complete BS because I haven't seen, as they've not been ever-bearing. We have watermelon just kind of like weaving in and out of the netting here, which is not the greatest. It's my bottom cover. There we have onions, corn, bees, sunflowers. We have watermelon. Have a whole bunch of blackberries over here that not in season anymore, but a month ago they were coming in like crazy, let me tell you. Holy crap. Got a good, probably about 10 pounds of blackberries. Insane. So that is the original part of the garden. Tall tree over here too. So over here we got some new patches that I'm working on. Built a little table here, but definitely where I want to put my zucchini. Whatnot. Actually, there's plenty of space for them. And then more beds, more mulch has to be moved. Bogey, but you know, it is what it is.